Okay, fashion fixes for your man's top style mistakes. No more oversized clothes, Hawaiian shirts, or bad haircuts. Amber Evans, owner of Stars Talent Studio, is here with advice on how to make over your man. Okay, so women want their guy to look his best. They maybe even want to make some improvements, but they don't want to ambush him or hurt his feelings. So what's the tips there to motivate your man?
We definitely have to take little baby steps because it's a sensitive issue. Most men, I think, are not wanting to hear they need a makeover, but the fact is people judge us by our appearance. I don't like that they do that, but that's a common problem. And so I think we need to step up and show the respect that we feel for ourselves and get ready for a makeover. Try this adventure, especially around Valentine's Day.
A good time to do it, you think?
It's a great time.
You've identified maybe the 3 most common style mistakes that men tend to make, and you found 3 brave men willing to let us make them over, each one with a different fashion challenge. So first, tell me about Kirk.
So Kirk's challenge, Kirk's a 27-year-old student, and he wears a very casual clothes. His problem when I saw him was he wore very tight t-shirts, so his belly kind of hung out, and then he wore really baggy dress shirts. So that was his original problem, and all the colors he chose were wrong. They were like black with flames and cars, and a lot of shirts that had sayings like "back away." So he scared people away with his wardrobe at first, and he didn't intend that to be the message, but that's what happened.
You hit the stores with him.
We hit the stores and had a lot of fun. We chose colors that accent his hair, his eyes, and his skin, which are more earth tone colors. And we chose the cut of the clothing to fit him just the right area, so he looks like he's lost 10 pounds.
Yeah, he's in our studio
more.
Here. Let's take a look. Kirk, you are looking good, my friend. I mean, the after, really dramatic.
Dramatic is exactly right. You know, we've cut his hair, we got rid of all of his facial hair, and this clothing fits him well with his body, and it does. He looks a lot more slender, and the colors complement his coloring. He definitely needs to wear more earth tones.
Now, you keep talking about coloring, and I dare say if we threw that term out to the guys, they'd be like, I don't care what color I wear. So how can you gently encourage your guy to embrace colors within his own palette?
That's a great comment. If you have darker hairs, you look good in the darker colors, like the blacks and the navy blues and the reds. If you have Kirk's coloring where you're more, you know, lighter coloring, a little bit lighter hair color, the earth tones look great. If you're blonde, you can get away with the pastels. So it's just depending on your hair, eyes, and skin, you want to kind of adapt with that.
Okay, Kirk, you look good, my friend. Thank you so much. Next up, Dave. Tell us about Dave.
So Dave, our wonderful country singer, he is a 57-year-old gentleman who his issue was, well, as his wife would put it, even though you still fit in your high school clothes, let's not keep wearing them. So he's had a lot of the same clothes for over 15 years and would wear them over and over again, which they're comfortable, but a lot of them were Hawaiian shirts, too small, maybe a little bit too short. And he looks so fantastic in these colors, and here's a little bit more modern, but age appropriate.
So his makeover entailed what? What did you do with him?
Well, with him, we kind of showed him how you can shop at a thrift store and get $1,000 worth of clothes for $100.
Wow.
So you can get some great up-to-date trends, which we went to Plato's Closet and found some great trends, but for very inexpensive. I mean, we're talking $5 a shirt, $6, $8.
I'm loving what you have him in today. You look great. I mean, the lighter yellow is such a great color on him.
Well, he's a very handsome guy, and we got rid of the gray, so I think he's lost 10 years of his age.
Easy.
Easy. Very attractive.
Love that. And guys sometimes can be scared to embrace that color, but that's what I keep hearing you say is color can make a big difference.
We want color. We want colors that, and you can hold up swatches when you're in the store and see what makes you, your appearance kind of stand out or what makes you look washed out. So we want to stay away from that. And a lot of times we just grab things and we don't even hold it up to ourselves to see if it even looks right, and then we get home and go, oh, I'm not going to wear it.
So test it out, try it out.
Test it out.
And then rock it with confidence. All right, thank you so much. Our last makeover is Andy. Tell us what his hang-ups were.
His hang-up, we have a very dramatic difference with Andy. He had overgrown his beard and his hair where it was just very long. And we took off his facial hair and did quite a lot of cutting with his hair.
So you spent some time in the salon.
Oh, we spent some time. Yeah, we were there. We had the kids joining us. It was quite a party, and we even had him hold up all the hair that he had to get rid of. But this is a very drastic difference, and it just shows to men when you get rid of your facial hair, or you add facial hair, or you cut your hair, or there's so much we can do with hair. Whether it's a beard, whether it's a goatee, you know, get rid of those extra whiskers, maybe in unusual places, and let's clean up and show off these great bones.
You are looking good. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah.
You like it. Okay, thumbs up from Andy.
like a supermodel now.
Very fun, very fun. And you still did keep some length there. I mean, you kept some...
Yes. We want them to keep their personality. He's like, no, I'd like it a little longer. Well, let's keep that. Let's go with people's opinions, but let's just tweak it where it flatters the face.
All right, fun tips, Amber, and thanks to our guys for helping us out. Also, a thank you to your styling team.
Yes, we are grateful for Plato's Closet and Cecile Galico from Image Studios, and Deborah McFarland did great photos.
She always does. All right, Amber, thank you so much.
Yeah,
more style tips available for you on our website, studio5.ksl.com.